I smell something sweet. Is it a gingerbread man? People come in. Out action!
Start by pumping up your mocha brown balloon and tie a knot. Next, make 2 6cm bubbles and fold them together and twist them together. This makes his head. Now, make 4 5cm bubbles for the limbs. And twist the last 5cm bubble to the first one. Now, make 2 8cm bubbles, which makes the front and the back of his body. Tie the second 8cm bubble back to the head. Now, make a loop twist that rounds off his head. Tie a knot and cut off the rest. And the twisting part is done. Now, use a green marker to draw on a bow tie, a red marker for the buttons, and white for the eyes, mouth, and some squiggly lines for the icing. Lastly, use a black marker to outline the bow tie and the buttons. And your gingerbread man is done.
Whoa, I have a gingerbread man. Yum yum. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.